Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to pull up Scan and Go on your Sam's Club app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and pull up Scan and Go. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, log on to the Sam's Club app, then click on Scan and Go on the bottom left hand corner. Now keep in mind that this is going to look different depending on whether you're inside the actual Sam's Club building or not. But if you click on I'm at the club, what essentially happens is that it's kind of location based where you do need to be at the club in order for Scan and Go to work. But just know that Scan and Go is here, and if you click on this button, your scanner should pop up. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and pull up Scan and Go on the Sam's Club app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.